Choosing a Forex broker is an important decision, as it can have a significant impact on your trading experience and the profitability of your trades. If you don't know where to start, try using a broker rating like trade-leader.com. What to look for when choosing a Forex broker. Regulation. Make sure the broker is regulated by a reputable financial authority. This ensures that the broker is subject to strict rules and oversight, which can provide some protection to traders. Trading platform. Look for a broker that offers a trading platform that is easy to use and has the features you need. Some platforms may be more suitable for beginner traders, while others may be more suitable for experienced traders. Fees and commissions. Compare the fees and commissions charged by different brokers. Some brokers charge a commission on each trade, while others make money on the spread, which is the difference between the buying and selling price of a currency pair. Customer service. Consider the quality of customer service offered by the broker. This is especially important if you are new and may need additional support and guidance. Reputation. Look for a broker with a good reputation among traders and browse the websites. Read online reviews and forums to get an idea of a broker's reputation. It is also recommended to test the broker's platform and customer service before opening an account. Many brokers offer demo accounts that allow you to practice trading with virtual money, which can help you get a feel for the platform and see if it's right for you.